Welcome to Learn and Fun with the Mall. Hello friends. Today we will draw two pigeons together and share a beautiful story about them. Story name is The Friendship of Two Pigeons. One day, two pigeons came to a beautiful rooftop. One was Pinku, who was pink, and the other was Blue, who was blue. Pinku says, "I'm pink. I love sweets and roses." Blue says, "I'm blue. I love the sky and the sea." Although Pinku and Blue were very different, they shared one thing: friendship. They always cared for each other and faced every challenge together. When one was sad, the other would try to make them laugh. Their favorite game was to fly high in the sky and see who could touch the clouds first. Whenever Blue felt tired, Pinku would tell him a bedtime story before they slept. Once, a little pigeon flew so high that he touched the moon, and Blue would smile as he fell asleep. Every day, they would look for new adventures. Sometimes, they'd sit among the flowers and hum a tune, and other times, they'd try to count the stars in the sky. One day, when it started raining, Pinku said to Blue, "Come on, Blue. Let's jump in the puddles." So, they danced in the rain, splashed in the water, and had so much fun. When the rain stopped, they saw a beautiful rainbow in the sky. Pinku joyfully said, "Look, every color is shining just like our friendship." That day, Pinku and Blue realized that friendship is even more special than colors. Friendship means taking care of each other and having fun in every moment. So kids, are your friends special to you too? And what color is your best friend?